Welcome into Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecasts of the markets, guys. Immediately, we start off with the Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, guys. Currently at 63, just clearly seeing that greed still in the markets. We're going to check the charts later on down the line that reflects this sentiment of just greed. The Ethereum has been going up as of late, as we can see a strong move in the last couple of weeks. So that's clearly reflected in the sentiment, greed in the market. So we'll stay tuned to see if we're going to go back down to neutral or if we're going to continue rising with that greed sentiment. But to start off, we're going to start off with the top 5 altcoins in the world and their performance in the past couple of days. We're going to start with Ethereum at $1,913. Wow, almost that $2,000 mark. Just incredible. Up essentially 1% in the last 7 days. So excuse me, it hasn't had major moves in the last week, but it's still up there. It's almost $2,000. Wow. Number 2, BNB at $320, up 2.46%. And then you have XRP at number 3, the scam. You already know, at 50 cents 2 quarters gets you an XRP, up 0.34%. Then number 4, Cardano at 40 cents. That's a pivotal resistance level. So let's see if it continues to get above that level and close, up 2.74%. And then number 5, the Dogecoin at 8.2 cents, down 12%. Excuse me. Yikes, guys, down 12%. Wow. That was all the hype with the Twitter handle thing that went on and all that good stuff. But you see, it's all about the big macro market moves. If a coin goes up just because of a news event, usually, it goes right back down to the mean. So keep that in mind. Then we move on to the top 5 best performers in the last 7 days. We start off with Injective, the injection coin, at $6.74, up 22.40%. Then you have number 2, Render Token, at $1.61, up 22%. Number 3, Solana at $24, up 16.75%. Wow. Number 4, Phantom at about 50 cents, up 8.71%. And then you have number 5, Near Protocol at $2.20, up 10%. Not bad at all. Then we have the top 5 worst performers in the last 7 days. We start with Lido DAO at $2.27, down 12.29%. Number 2, the Dogecoin at 8.2 cents. And it's down 10.54%. The number 3, Rocket Pool at $41.74, down 11.15%. Number 4, Frax Share at $8.64, down essentially a 10%. And then you have Trust Wallet Token at $1.20, down 3.37%. A lot of things going on in the markets, guys. That's what we're here to keep you guys informed. Guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Just a click away and you join our community. Great value over here, guys. Also, make sure you click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content. And for our community, we have educational videos for free. So many great educational videos with their educational presentations and everything. All you need is a pen. Look, pen, pencil, piece of paper. That's it. The educational presentation is there. So many different, video themes about cryptocurrency, the metaverse, CBDCs, the Web3. Wow. It's just invaluable. Make sure you guys check that out. Then we move on to the charts, guys. Let's move on to that TA. As we can see here, we zoom in. Ethereum has been in an uptrend since March. That's what, March 13th. Wow, mid-March. So almost for the last month. Ethereum has been in a clear uptrend in this ascending channel formation. We had pivotal resistance at $1,786 that we breached. Look at it here. We breached, then confirmed as support once again before moving on up. Small retracement, trying to get above and create a new local high now. But we're still within this range. I mean, it hasn't made a new local high yet for the past week, so that's important. But we're still above, what now is pivotal support. Who knows? We might come back down and retest before possibly going to $2,000, or it just might continue on up, or it might break down here. You know what I mean? No one truly ever knows. It's all about probabilities. Right now, the trend is your friend until the end. The trend is an uptrend. We're above previous resistance now as support. And the next resistance is still, at around 2,000. So that's not that far off. So I wouldn't be surprised if we have a final move, a final upswing to $2,000 before possibly getting a more heavier retracement back down to the previous resistance, now support. So something to definitely keep in mind. I mean, the indicators have consolidated sideways. Not too much change with these down here. I mean, the stochastic, it did cross up, but it's indecisive right now. And then the regular RSI is still up here. I wouldn't be surprised if we come up, before possibly retracing heavier, but we're gonna have to wait and see. We'll definitely keep you guys informed. Then we have the altcoin market cap. Look at that, guys. Wow, we were discussing this a couple of weeks ago, a couple of days ago really, but discussing these and said the major resistance at $616 billion continues to be there. And we said something has to give. We have this uptrend, we have this downtrend, we have the resistance, just a point of confluence. We're going to have to, decide. Are we going to, pump through and go to 700 billion, or we're going to dump back down to 431 billion? That is a big range, but, that's where we're standing. Right now, we're on the top part of the range. And he's going to have to make a decision soon. So exciting times. And again, the common theme of the video is that we're at pivotal times in the markets. Look at that. Look at this DXY, the dollar index at 101.49, exactly as support right now at the time of recording, with a cross on the stochastic RSI. Not looking good. Not looking good for the dollar. Right now, this is the last hope. This is the last line of hope for the DXY. If we break that and break 100, then yikes, things, risk assets might start pumping, and this would not be good at all for the dollar. Back-to-back major red negative bearish candles. Yikes for the dollars at a pivotal moment. Wow, look at that. It might break that, make a new low. If that's the case, it's gonna be sad times for the dollar. Guys, if you enjoyed this content, we have our website link in the description down below. Don't forget, guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention, and I hope you guys have a good one.